is Friday morning on the farm. All the dogs running around and Zoe here emptying all the bins of all the dog muck, which has to be done every other day, taken away to a proper recycling centre for the dog muck. So many things that have to be done, not just looking after the dogs, all the nitty gritty stuff as well. So poor old Zoe's been roped into that this morning. So you having fun, Zoe?
Yeah, it's really good. Best job.
Best job, she says, best job. So there you go. And William being incredibly vocal. Thank you, Dodo. So loads of dogs here, and we'll do another clip in a minute. So this is the paddock where we let the dogs out every day. So here we have Diego, who was rescued off of the streets in Zante in Greece, waiting for a home. Dee, lovely boy. Who have we got here? Toby is one of our permanent dogs. Caught him in Spain. I had to catch him, and sadly he's a biter and he won't ever be rehomed. So he's here as a sanctuary dog. Linda, who's an old girl that I also rescued off of a chain in Spain, who we tried to rehome, but sadly she's bounced back about 3 times, so we've given her a permanent sanctuary space. Rex, who's looking for a home, another boy from Spain who was found straying on the road, who's waiting for a home. And here's even more of them. Some of the dogs are permanent sanctuary dogs, some dogs here are looking for homes. Daisy, who came from a slaughterhouse in China, she also got sent to a home and sadly is also a biter. Not that you can blame her, and she's come back, so she has a sanctuary space. The thing is, if the dogs bounce back more than 2 or 3 times, we then offer them sanctuary space and we keep them, because some of them are just far more suited to this kind of life. But as you can see, they're really happy and they absolutely love their life here with us. But it's hard work. Marios there, that's my daughter's dog, she rescued him when she was on holiday in Greece. He was straying. Marios! There's Marios. And here we have Nunu. Nunu was from the Chinese meat trade, the little white dog. She's waiting for a home. She did go to a home, but sadly their garden wasn't big enough, and we're now looking for a home for her where she can go outside and just run around in space. Maybe not quite as big as this, but she absolutely loves the grass. And yeah, she's loving life, just pottering around while she waits for that special person. And over here we have Dodo, who is also waiting for a home. Dodo came from Changchun Slaughterhouse in China. Absolutely lovely girl. She's taken a long time, a lot of rehabilitation to try and sort Dodo out, bless her.
Marios.
They just bark at anything that they can hear, even the birds singing in the trees. So, hi, so here we have Michael, who was a Yulin meat truck survivor. We've got barking over there. Rex and Diego digging a hole. The others have all gone in for a break now. We just kept the more energetic ones out for a minute, so we can give these guys some time. So that's Michael. He was a Yulin meat truck survivor. The little Goldie there, absolute poppet, and he's got a fantastic home to go to. He goes on Tuesday, so that's really good. He's really survived against the odds, and he's a really sweet lad. And here we have.
You never read it before.
So here we have Nunu, again, little girl from a slaughterhouse in China. sadly, people have made fun of her because of her teeth apparently when she was in China, because she's got an overshot jaw. I think she's absolutely beautiful, and this is part of our charity, that we take dogs that other people just won't take, either because they think they're not beautiful enough or they've got loads of medical problems. We will take them because, as far as we're concerned, every dog has got a chance of life, and there's no dogs, just because it's a specific breed doesn't mean that the dog is more special than any other dog. So we are a bit crazy, I think, like that. We take everything, and we think Nunu is absolutely beautiful. Nunu, hello. For a little dog that's only ever lived in a foster home in China, in a big apartment block, never had a garden, never had any space to run around, she just can't believe her luck. She just can't wait to get out here every day and just bimble about. There's Zoe again, poor old Zoe,
Like
picking up dog mess again, and Rex helping himself to a
tea bag.
cup of tea.
Thanks, Rex.
You enjoying that, Rex? Having a nice cup of tea? And they love digging holes, and we believe that the dogs need to express their natural instincts. So the paddock is full of potholes, and Billy, poor Billy, she came from Romania. She was brought over here a couple of years ago by another organisation, and they homed her, and she bit the lady that she was with. So they didn't know what to do with her and asked us if we would take her and give her an assessment. So we brought her here, and she's got these little Queen Anne feet, and she has bitten a few people, but we then decided that we would offer her a sanctuary space and we would let her live her days out here. Poor Billy, when she was found in Romania, her siblings had all been beheaded by the side of the road, and Billy was the remaining survivor. And poor Billy, she's a lovely dog.